Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you very impressive and high demanding Hailey Bieber's nail art design step by step guide. The original glazed donut nail of Hailey Bieber. Ganzurate created the iconic glazed donut nail look for Bieber to spot at the Met Gala. She notes it was so unpleasant and come out so pretty that it went viral. It's gained major popularity because it is so simple and flattering on all nail shapes and lengths. It was different than your usual chrome nail since the base color is so see-through and natural. Adds Ganzurite. All it requires is a thin layer of a neutral shade like OPI's Funny Bunny polish, topped with chrome powder for the shiny effect. Ganzurite's personal fave is the OPI Tin Man Can Chrome Effects Mirror Shine Nail Powder. Finish the look with a shiny top coat and a gel covering, and you are good to go. If you are headed to the salon, Ganzurite recommends asking your nail tech for the glazed donut look or showing a picture of a chrome bunny. She also posts a breakdown of each nail look on her Instagram page if you are looking for specifics. However, if you are not going to the nail salon or don't have a gel UV light at home, try out these user-friendly products so you can dive into a glazed donut trend right now. Number 2 design is nails world's your Oster baby irresistant nail polish. A few swipes of this nail ink polish will give your nails the perfect shade and pearly look, just like Mr. Bieber. Apply one coat for a light shine or several for shimmer that can be spotted from afar. Number 2 design is color camp glazed donut press ones. If filling and painting your nails sounds like a real feat, try these completely customizable glazed donut press ones. Prior or receiving your set, you will get sizing kit to ensure each nail fits.